Hey guys, how's it going? So, as a web designer and landing page builder, I want to show you the tools that help me the most in my workflow and save me so much time. So, for starters, I use Google Chrome. I have a lot of Google Chrome extensions. So, all right, let's say if you're trying to do outreach to someone and you find them on LinkedIn or whatnot, but you want to get their email or info. I use this tool, Final Scout. This allows you to go to someone's LinkedIn. You can get their email right next to their name. Really cool. Next, this tool is really cool. So, Wallpaperize. This will show all the technologies used on a website. So, on this site we're in right now, these are the technologies they're using. So, let's say if I go to my site, this is my landing page. If I use Wallpaperize, Wapalizer, that's how you say it, Wapalizer. We see I got Microsoft Clarity, which is true, and I built it on Framer. So these are the two main, basically main softwares, analytics builders that I'm using with it. Now next, this one I use this. This is probably the tool I use one of the most, which is just picking color from a page. Before I would export, download, put it into Figma, then use the color picker. Now with this Chrome extension, it saves me a lot of time. So all right, so let's say we got all these images here. I'll use this right here. Pick color from page. And what is this blue? Yeah. So we get this. It copies it automatically. Get the hex code. It's beautiful. Then next, there's this tool. This is Go Full Page. So this will just take a full page screenshot. This is really cool. I use this for content. I use this when showing things to clients, when they want to see how things look, the whole page, just from a bird's eye view. This, you could do a lot with this. And you don't need to take screenshots individually. You just get everything done at once. This is great for showing clients. You can get it at download as a PDF, download as a PNG. It's really cool. Then next, that's Find Email, not that. Google Translate, not that. Responsive Viewer. So this will show your site on different viewers. So this is great when I finish products for clients. So you can see on different iPhones, Galaxy, Samsung, scroll down, Galaxy Pixel, medium screen. So, usually on desktop, it's going to be 1200 width and on, large screen. So I'm already on, this is MacBook 14-inch, I'm on 1440. So yeah, can do different sizes, zoom out, landscape mode. Yeah. So this is cool. Most important is, I know for clients, everyone, most important is how it's going to look for mobile. It's all about mobile these days. Then get out of this. Let's see, how do we get out of this? X. Okay, back on the site. Then this is, no, that's unhooked. That's, when you want to just stay focused on YouTube, just, drag it out. This is Loom, ChatGPT. So I have a ChatGPT plugin as well, which helps me with, certain copy I need or just quick information if I have a question. Okay, now we get to what font. What font is really good. So with this, you got to double click it and it tells you any font on the page, what it is. So this is Apercu. This is Apercu, probably light or regular. Apercu. It's all Apercu. Okay, now let's go on my landing page, for instance. If you want to find out my fonts, we got Font Spring Demo, Criteria CF Bold, GT Wallstrom Pro. Even in the buttons, it shows you. So this, I would say probably what font when I'm doing creative design work. Usually what font and the pixel color picker is what I use the most. And then to wrap it up, this is a game changer. This is just this is just image downloader. This will download all. With this, you can download all the images on a website, everything. So this just really works nicely. Let's see if we do it on my site. Yeah, get all these. You can just easily download. And yeah, logos, Twitter, like that. And I'll give you a bonus tip. What I use as well is, let's say you have an image from somewhere or you have a background, but you want to make it transparent so it matches the background. I'll also use Remove BG. Remove BG is awesome. You just drag an image in, removes the background, that's it. So these are just quick tools. Want to just give you guys straight up value with tools you can use in your workflows, whether you're a designer, whether you're business owners, agency owners, or, there's stuff you don't want to really, if it takes time to get in touch with your designer, graphic designer, whatever, just quick things you can do on your own. And you don't even need to use Sigma for these. So yeah, hope it helps, guys. Have a great day.